Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in the previous session, as you all know that we have completed exercise 12.4. So let's begin with exercise 12.5. So I'm beginning with the exercise 12.5. Okay. So exercise 12.5 is, in this exercise, you will get to know how to multiply the different measurement of lengths, okay, or length measurement, okay. So similarly, as we have done in the chapter number 11, 10 and 11, okay, first of all, before doing the before doing the multiplication of division of two different units, okay, what we do the conversion, and after that we multiply it with the given or divide with the given number. Okay, so that is the same method that we are going to follow in this chapter as well. So the question number 1 is, okay, so all the questions up to 1 to 10, they are of multiplication. So let's do it. Okay, so the question is multiply. This is multiply. So the first one is 12 meter 8 centimeter by 8. So we need to multiply 12 meter 8 centimeter by 8. So okay, this is meter, this is centimeter. So we need to multiply it with 8. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to do the conversion. This is solution. 12 meter 8 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 12 meter will be converted into centimeter by multiplying it with 100. Okay, and 8 is already centimeter, that we will write down as it is. Okay, so 12 multiplied by 100, this is 1200 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. So 1200 centimeter plus 800 centimeter. Okay, so that will be 1200 plus 8, this is 1208 centimeter. Okay, so after conversion we got 1208 centimeter. Now just simply multiply it with 8. So multiply 1208 centimeter with 8. This is 8 8s are 64. 4 carry 6. 8 zeros are 0 plus 6. 8 2s are 16. 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9. So after multiplication we got, right, okay, so this is centimeter because we have done the multiplication after the conversion. So this is 9664 centimeter. So the answer is 9664 centimeter, or last two digit will be the centimeter and rest will be the meter, or 96 meter 64 centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer. So after multiplication we got 9664 centimeter, that is 96 meter or 64 centimeter. So this is the solution for the question number 1 of exercise 12.5. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebook. So this is just as similar as we have done in the previous chapters. Okay. Okay. Moving next to the question number 2. That is also of multiplication. Multiply 15 meter 9 centimeter by 15. Okay. Question number 2 is multiply 15 meter 9 centimeter by 15. Okay, so let's multiply it and get the answer. Again, first of all, we will do the conversion, that is 15 meter 9 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 15 will be meter will be converted into centimeter by multiplying it with 100 plus 9 centimeter. So 15 into 100, this is 1500 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. So 1500 centimeter plus 9 centimeter, this is 1509 centimeter. So after conversion we got 1509 centimeter. Now we need to multiply it with 15. Okay. So let's multiply 1509 with 15. 5 nines are 45, 4, 500 plus 4, 5 fives are 25, 2, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, this is 7, 1 nines are 9, 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5 and 1 ones are 1. Now this is 5, 9 plus 4 13, 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 5 12, 1 plus 1 that is 2. So after multiplication we got the answer, that is 22,635 centimeter. So the answer is 22,635 centimeter, or you can write it as meter or centimeter. So last two digits will be the centimeter, rest will be the meter, or 226 meter 35 centimeter. Okay. So this is the solution for the question number 2. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 3. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. So the question number 3 is, multiply 48 meter 50 centimeter by 9. Multiply 48 meter 50 centimeter by 9. So this is the solution. 48 meter 50 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So meter will be converted into centimeter by multiplying it with 100. This is 48 into 100. That will be converted into centimeter plus 50 centimeter. So 48 into 100 is 4800 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. So after multiplying these adding these two, you will get 4850. This is 4850 centimeter. So the answer is 4850 centimeter. Now just simply multiply it with 9 and you will get your answer. Okay. So 4850 multiply by 9. 9 zeros are 0, 9 fives are 45, 4, 9 eights are 72, plus 4s, this is 76, 7, 9 fours are 36, plus 7, that is 43. Okay, so the answer is 43,650 centimeters. So after multiplication we got 43,650 centimeter or 436 meter 50 centimeter. Okay. So this is the answer for the question number 3. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, chaliye. Moving next to the question number. So next question number 4, 5 and 6, they all are similar. So just try to do it by yourself. Let's begin with question number 7. Okay, so these 7, 8, 9, 10, they are also same, but we are going to discuss question number 7 here. So let's discuss question number 7. So the question number 7 is, again that is of multiplication. So multiply 4 kilometer 139 meter by 2. So multiply 4 kilometer 139 meter by 2. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 4 kilometer will be converted into meter by multiplying it with 1000 plus 139 meter. So 4 into 1000, this is 4000 meter plus 139 meter. So now after adding these, you will get 4139 meter. So 4 kilometer 139 meter is equal to 4139 meter. Now just simply multiply it with 2 and you will get the answer. 2 nines are 18, 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So the answer is 8278 meter. So the answer is 8278 meter, or there's 1000 kilometers in 1000 meters in 1 kilometer, or that means 3 digits. This is 8 kilometer and 278 meter. Okay, so this is the solution for the question number 7. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Similarly, the question number 8, 9 and 10, that is also of multiplication. Okay, that is of, so that just try to do by yourself. So question number 1 to 10, rest of the parts you are going to do by yourself. Let's begin with the question number 11. Okay, let's begin with the question number 11. The question number 11 is, a length of a rope is 30 meter 80 centimeter. How much will be the length of 18 such ropes? ओके, तो एक rope की length दी हुई है, that is 30 meter 80 centimeter, and we need to find the length of 18 such ropes. वैसी 18 ropes की हमें जो length है वो ढूंढनी है. ओके, so एक की दी है, ज़्यादा की निकालनी है. So for that what we will do? We will do the multiplication. Okay, so let's begin with question number 11. Length of one rope, that is 30 meter 80 centimeter. Next, length of 18 ropes, that is 30 meter 80 centimeter multiplied by 18. So one is meter, other is centimeter. So for that, first of all, we will do the conversion. So 30 meter 80 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 30 meter will be converted into centimeter by multiplying with 100 plus 80 centimeter. This is 3000 centimeter plus 80 centimeter. So this is 3080 centimeter. So the length of 18 this is the conversion. After conversion we got 3080 centimeter. Let's find out the rope of the length of the on the 18 rope, that is 3080 centimeter multiplied by 18. 8 zeros are 0, 8 eights are 64, 4, 6 will be carried next. 8 zeros are 0 plus 6, 8 threes are 24. Multiply with 1 zeros are 0, 1 eights are 8, 1 zeros are 0, 1 threes are, this is 0, 4, 8 plus 6, that is 14, 4 plus 1, this is 5, 3 plus 2, 5. 55,440 centimeter. Now the question was, how much will be the length of 18 such ropes? So write down, therefore the length of 18 such ropes is 55,440 centimeter or 554 meter 40 centimeter. Okay. So this is the solution for the question number 11 of exercise 12.5. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 12. The length of a playground is 75 meters 70 centimeter. Find the length of 8 playgrounds. Again the same question just like the previous one. Length of one playground is given and we need to find the length of the 8 playgrounds. Okay, so let's find out. Length of one playground question number 12. Length of one playground is equal to 75 meters 70 centimeter length of one playground is equal to 75 meters 70 centimeter. Length of 8 playgrounds that we need to find out. So this is 75 meter 70 centimeter into 8. Okay. This is 75 meter 70 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 75 meter will be converted into centimeter by multiplying with 100 plus 70 centimeter. This is 7500 centimeter plus 70 centimeter. This is 77,570 centimeter. So this is the conversion that we have got, that is 7,570 centimeter, which is the measurement of one playground. Let's find out the measurement of 8. So 7,570 centimeter will be multiplied with 8 so that we can get the measurement of 8. Okay. 8 zeros are 0, 8 sevens are 42, 4, 8 fives are 40 plus 4, this is 44, 8 sevens are, sorry, this is not 42, 8 sevens are 56, sorry, okay, 8 zeros are 0, 8 sevens are 56, 5, 8 fives are 40 plus 5, this is 45, 8 sevens are 56 plus 4, 60. This is 60,560 centimeter. So the question was, find the total length of 8 playground. Therefore, the total length of 8 playgrounds is 60,560 centimeter or 605 meter 60 centimeter. So this is the solution for the question number 12. So you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. So this is from my today's session as well, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.